Hi, welcome back to another Lomdei video. This one we're going to be speaking about editing content. Note a couple things. When you're going to edit content, you cannot edit content here on the assignment tab. You can't click into an assignment. You can't edit content there. All the content editing has to be done when you go all the way back into your library and edit the actual lessons, and not here on the assignments. Assignments can't be edited. Okay, so that's number one. So in order to get there, you have to go back through the create assignment process and find any lesson that you want to edit. So another thing to note is that the editing process I'm going to show you right now might be only temporary. We are creating new modules in the future, which might change some of the things I'm going to talk about in this video today. This is just for right now what we call the thumbprint matching modules, which are really basically for everything that's not multiple choice. So you're going to use this process for everything. So I'm going to show in the video how to edit maybe a Shorashim activity because it's a little bit easier to show, but basically it's the same idea when editing translations or anything else that's in the matching module. This is not for multiple choice. That's a whole other video for a different time, but that's a little bit more straightforward. Okay, so I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to import a lesson here. Okay, I've imported the Shorashim lesson, and now I want to edit it. Okay, so I'm going to click inside the Shorashim lesson, and I want to edit one of these Shorashim. So let's just choose the first one. I'm going to click on this preview button right here. That'll allow me to get to the preview window, to pop up that preview window on the side here, right on the right side. And I see Shema, and I see the English and the Shema button. Okay, so if I want to edit it, there is an edit task button right here on the top right corner of that window. So I'm going to click the edit task button, and now I'm going to be brought to a brand new window that pops up here. And this allows me to edit. It shows me the boxes on the side, which are usually the answers, and here it's the Shoresh is here, so that's what that means. And in the middle are the answers. Okay, so whatever I'm doing as far as editing, let's say I want to I don't want to give my students so many choices, so I'm gonna just take out some of these. So any edits I make, you can make it here, right in the middle, in the center here, which in the translation this would be the pasuk. And the other edits I can make are up here. Okay, so let's say actually I don't want it to be here, and I want to make this listen instead of here. Okay, so what am I doing? So again, I'm making my changes, and if I make the changes here, I have to also make changes here. And then I'm going to go when I'm all finished, and I'm going to click Buttonize on the top left here. There's this button in green called Buttonize, and I'm going to click on that. And what Buttonize means that you have to do is you have to match up everything in the middle to the boxes on the side. Here we have one box. It's a little bit easier. With the translations, you're going to have to match up every single box that's on the side. So I'm going to click Listen. I'm going to click then match it up with Shema. And then when I'm all done, I go to where it says Save, as long as I'm ready to save it. And I click that. If I want to go back to edit, there's a back to edit button next to it. And I click Save. And I'm back here, and I want to check to make sure that my edits worked. So I scroll down to where it says Shema. I click the preview button again, and I can scroll down and see that, yeah, it changed, right? Eat, say. And so I took out some of the choices, and now I have listen instead of here. So that is the process of editing. After this, if you want to assign it, then you would click Assign. Any edits, note also, any edits you make here on a lesson will affect anyone who has those assignments at the current time. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for more episodes.